Are you starting to see shadows? Uh-oh. Are you noticing the fears, insecurities, any negative emotions within yourself? Ay, ay, ay. Well, this message is for you. Welcome back to Keep Inspiration Alive. Today we're talking about shadow work. Woo, boy. Transform your life. 4 powerful ways to begin your shadow work journey. Woo, let's dive into it. Today, we'll be discussing what shadow work is and how it can help you understand and shift your negative beliefs and patterns. Yeah, it's amazing. It's a great video. Tune in. Shadow work is a process of exploring the parts of ourselves that we tend to ignore, suppress. Basically, like our fears, insecurities, and negative emotions. Boo-hoo-hoo, right? So we gotta clear that out. So how do we do that? By acknowledging and working through these aspects of ourselves, we can begin to heal and grow in a more authentic and integrated way. Yeah, amazing, right? So one way to begin shadow work is by making a list of all your negative beliefs and patterns and identifying their origins. Bum, bum, bum. This can be a difficult process as it requires us to confront aspects of ourselves that we may not want to acknowledge. However, by understanding where these beliefs and patterns come from, we can begin to shift them and move towards a more positive way of being. Yeah, amazing. Another helpful tool for shadow work is writing a letter to someone who has hurt you or wronged you in the past. This can be a powerful way to release any pent-up emotions and begin to heal from the experience. Ta-da! This will help it helps by expressing your feelings in a safe and private way. You can begin to let go of the pain and move forward. Additionally, it's important to identify any aspects of ourselves that may have been rejected or disowned. This could be anything from our sexuality to our creativity. By exploring these aspects with compassion and curiosity rather than judgment, we can begin to integrate them into our sense of self and feel more whole and complete. Lastly, it's helpful to reflect on our relationships with others and identify any patterns that may be present. This could include patterns of codependency, avoidance, or conflict. Once we've identified these patterns, we can work on developing healthier ways of relating to others, which can improve our overall well-being. In conclusion, shadow work is a powerful tool for personal growth and healing. By exploring the parts of ourselves that we tend to ignore or suppress, we can begin to understand and shift our negative beliefs and patterns. If you're interested in starting your own shadow work journey, I encourage you to try out some exercises we discussed in today's video. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Michael Adams, and this is Keep Inspiration Alive. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I promise to bring you the best strategies, tools, and mindset hacks to overcome fear that is holding you back. See you next time here at Keep Inspiration Alive.